Cars are expensive to buy. They're expensive to maintain. I mean, you know, you might have a chance to get a cheaper part per muffler that goes on or whatever. This is Brian Weber, Weber Automotive. There's a reason not to do that.
Yeah.
There's a cost to doing that, right?
There's a cost to doing that, right? Yeah. It might seem attractive to save 20 bucks, 50 bucks on a component, but there's a reason it's cheaper. If it's going to cost you any level of safety or reliability, it's not worth it. And we've tried that. You know, we've been around for 30 years. We've been doing this for a long time. And sometimes we tried to do that for people. Yeah, save a little money on this and get a cheaper wheel bearing or something like that. And we've had it where a day later it's making noise and it went bad. And now you're doing it all over again. And obviously the cheaper stuff, we can't put the same warranty on it because we know it's subpar quality. So now that you're taking for a very tiny percentage of the cost, you're taking a lot more risk, or we're taking risk. It just doesn't make any sense.
You know, you mentioned the warranty then. So how's that tied to the parts you guys do? What's your warranty?
Yeah, we use parts that we know are good. And so we give it a 3-year, 36,000 mile nationwide warranty on it, which is the best warranty in the business.
That's great. That's part of what you're buying.
Yeah,
you know,
absolutely.
But only if you have a real part. A good part. The part's supposed to be there. So
yeah, we won't install customer supplied parts because we know most of the time they're buying the cheapest part they can get.
Sure.
And then we put it on, and now the car didn't work right, or it didn't fix the problem, or it went bad right away, and it's on us. Which, you know, we don't want it to be that way.
Okay.
And we don't want the inconvenience, right? It's inconvenient when the car goes bad. Get it fixed. Be done with it. Go on with your life.
Good point. You want your car to work, and so just do the right part. And you might want to use the right guys to put in that part, by the way. So I'd mention, you know, Weber Automotive for that. You know, why not?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks.
Thanks a lot for watching.
Yep.